what is India's independence mean to you?
I feel that today's generation is not understanding the full meaning of independence, and it's not. They are also not respecting the freedom fighters who actually fought for our independence. And I feel that this awareness and history of independence should be passed on from generation to generation, so that they understand that now the freedom they are enjoying is because of the struggle done by the freedom fighters. And we need to celebrate Independence Day and make everybody aware about the struggles of the fighters and the sacrifices they have done, so that we can live a better life.
Everybody should have their own rights and freedom, so that they can make their own opinion to live their life.
Freedom, the younger generations are misusing their freedom without knowing anything about what the struggles they had when they are taking the fight.
Every citizen in India is given equal rights and is treated equally for the law. So I think India's as India's democratic country, it offers freedom to every citizen, and I'm feeling so happy and pleasure to live in a country like India.
Freedom fighters have struggled more to get this freedom.
How much they struggle to get the freedom. Those fighters, we should be thankful to them.
To me, it means being yourself, being different from others, and being what you think, do what you feel. And freedom is something that every individual deserves, because he or she in this country needs to fulfill the basic needs and needs to survive in this country, survive in the world. In the present competitive world, freedom is necessary in order to survive and grow as an individual, as a citizen of India. Thank you.